Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. Today I'm going to tell you about this lovely 2020 Infiniti QX60 all-wheel drive that we have for sale. This one only has 10,677 miles at the time of making this video. And this was just retired out of our service loaner fleet. The way that works is we'll pluck a new Infiniti out of our inventory and we'll make it a service loaner vehicle. One of the benefits of being a new Infiniti customer or a certified proven Infiniti customer is you get complimentary Infiniti service loaner vehicles for extended service days, and that benefit is good for any new Infiniti customer, certified customer in the whole entire country at any Infiniti dealership. So after about a year, we retire them out of loaner car service and we make them available for sale as a certified pre-owned vehicle. So this will actually qualify for a loaner car too. And it's been in our care its whole life. Lightly used to loaned out to our Infiniti customers. This one is very nicely equipped with features. You have a beautiful leather interior, moonroof, power and heated front seats. You have a drive mode selector that will make changes to transmission shift point, how the engine revs. This one features a CVT transmission standing for continuously variable, offering an almost infinite amount of gear ratio, so you have that perfect gear ratio for that current driving situation that you're in. You have USB connectivity, and it looks like they also have a USB-C, which they recently added to the QX60. Beautiful trim throughout. This one has a Bose sound system. Also has a navigation system. It has a 360-degree round view camera. You can change views here. Power adjustable steering wheel that tilts and telescopes, and the steering wheel is also heated. Also has a blind spot warning, as well as forward collision warning and forward emergency braking. Automatic dimming mirror with universal garage door opener. Power folding mirrors. Really nice color combination in graphite gray, black leather. The QX60 is a mid-size luxury crossover with third row seating. It's one of our most popular products. It's very popular with families with kids. And then we have more USB connectivity back here, rear climate control. Very comfortable seating back here. The second row seats, they slide back and forth, and they also recline. Power rear liftgate. The third row seats fold flat. The second row seats fold fairly flat. Even more USB connectivity for the third row seat passengers. A little bit extra storage down here. That is a subwoofer for the Bose sound system. For those of you who have kids in forward-facing car seats, I'm happy to let you know that the latch system on the second row passenger side is designed to have a forward-facing car seat in place, and the ability to fold that seat forward with the car seat in place for third row access. A lot of the competition, the way the latch system is designed, you actually have to remove the car seat completely in order to fold that seat forward for third row access. That's kind of a pain, but obviously Infiniti engineers were thinking of families when developing the QX60, so you won't have that problem with this vehicle. Nice, elegant lines on the QX60. Bi's G9 lights will give you outstanding nighttime visibility. We have LED daytime running lights, chrome accents all around. The heart of the QX60 is one of the best V6s ever made in America. 3.5 liters, direct injection, makes a little under 300 horsepower. Infiniti and Nissan have been making these engines for a long time. Nissan is our parent company. I've been with Infiniti about 16 years. I've seen many variations of these engines go 200 and 300,000 miles. My 05 G35 has a variation of this engine and it runs great. Don't take my word for it. You can do a Google search, VQ35 reviews, Nissan 3.5 V6, Infiniti 3.5 liter V6. You'll see lots of great accolades about these engines. Also low maintenance, equipped with timing chains. You never need to worry about the costly replacement of timing belts. Those timing chains are zero maintenance and are designed to last the service life of the engine, which incidentally is 300,000 miles. And you can even go to our YouTube page, Infiniti of Tacoma 1, and I have a video of one of these 3.5 liter V6s in a vehicle we took in on trade with 300,000 miles, still running great. So I've seen lots of these engines with 200, 300,000 miles running excellent. It is a fantastic engine, and with certified pre-owned, with the Infiniti certified pre-owned certification, which you get on this QX60, you get all the benefits you normally would as a brand new Infiniti. Our roadside assistance, trip interruption benefits to the duration of the certified warranty, which is 6 years, 75,000 miles, complimentary Infiniti service loaner vehicles, low rate financing for well-qualified buyers, and your first year of basic maintenance is complimentary. For more information about the certified pre-owned benefits, please contact us or visit InfinitiUSA.com. Thanks for watching this video. Hope to see you soon, and have a wonderful day.